Half a pill a day, sometimes even less. That's all it takes for some men to push testosterone levels 800, 900, even 1000 nanograms per deciliter. No injections, no needles, no lifelong TRT. And yes, this is medically documented. If you're watching this, you're probably dealing with it already. Low energy, poor recovery, brain fog, no drive, low libido, weak erections. This is the classic testosterone crash, and it hits harder and earlier than most men realize. But here's the critical mistake most men make. They assume low testosterone automatically means they need injections. That's wrong. You don't diagnose hormones by feelings, you diagnose them with blood work. And not just total testosterone. You must check luteinizing hormone. Here's why. Your brain controls your testicles. LH is the signal. If the testosterone is low, LH should be high. If testosterone is low and LH is also low or normal, your testicles aren't broken. Your brain isn't sending the signal. That's called a dysregulated HPT axis, and this is extremely common in men exposed to chronic stress, poor sleep, anxiety, sedentary lifestyle. Sound familiar? This is where Clomid and citrate comes in. Yes. It's off-label for men. No, that doesn't mean it's unsafe. It's discussed in major medical conferences and widely used for male hypogonadism. Here's the protocol. You don't need massive doses. Most men respond to 12.5 milligrams daily, or 25 milligrams every other day. That's half a pill, or less. Mechanism matters. Clomiphene blocks estrogen receptors in the pituitary. The brain thinks hormones are low, so it explodes LH production. LH hits the testicles. If they're functional, they respond. You produce your own natural testosterone. No shutdown, no testicular shrinkage. Fertility stays intact. Clinical results? Men go from 300 to 900 plus regularly. But understand this. Clomiphene is not an injection. TRT spikes fast. Clomiphene rises slow. Blood numbers improve in weeks. Symptoms improve in months. Patience is mandatory. Now, the hard truth. About 30% of men get great numbers, but don't feel better. Why? Clomiphene has two isomers. Enclomiphene beneficial, zuclomiphene estrogenic in some men. That estrogenic activity can blunt libido and mood. If that happens, you stop. Simple. If you want immediate performance improvement without prescriptions, many men are now using a 100% natural purple hardening tonic that targets the enzyme killing erections. Final message. If your testicles work and your LH is low, jumping on injections for life may be a mistake. You might be able to restart your entire hormonal system with half a pill a day. Get tested. Check LH. Fix the signal, not just the symptom. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and check the pinned comment, because your hormones decide your energy, your focus, and your performance. Thanks for watching.